In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Boxer engine found inside the new 2017 Subaru Impreza. Some of the benefits of the Subaru Boxer engine are the flat layout that allows engine output to flow directly into the transmission. This linear flow of power reduces engine components and inefficiencies, resulting in better fuel economy. Subarus are the most fuel-efficient all-wheel drive vehicles in America, often getting better gas mileage than its four-wheel drive competitors. By lowering the center of gravity of the engine, you also lower the center of gravity of the entire vehicle. A lower center of gravity equals more responsiveness, particularly when cornering or doing evasive maneuvers. In the event of a frontal accident, the Boxer engine's low center of gravity allows the engine to drop below the passenger compartment instead of in it. The 2017 Impreza features a 150 horsepower 2.0-liter four-cylinder DOHC engine. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more news, demos, and how-tos on the 2017 Subaru Impreza and all of their Subaru vehicles.